U.S. Pfizer distribution hubs are located in Pleaseant Prairie, Wisconsin, and Kalamazoo, Michigan. Trucks from UPS and FedEx rolled out of Pfizer's plant bound for central distribution centers and headed toward 145 health departments and hospitals around the U.S. Pfizer's vaccine needs to be transported in special shipping containers and stored in freezers. Pfizer BioNTech vaccine needs to be stored at 100 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit. To maintain a sustainable temperature during transport, crews are using tons of dry ice carbon dioxide that has been cooled to at least 110 degrees below 0 Fahrenheit, becoming solid. Vaccine development takes an average of 10 years. Covid-19 development has been measured in 12-18 months. Ordinarily, it takes 10 years to invent a vaccine. Covid-19 vaccine is working to complete the development process in 12 to 18 months. The process includes the exploratory stage, preclinical stage, clinical development, regulatory review approval, manufacturing and quality control. FDA authorized Pfizer BioNTech COVID-19 vaccine for U.S. use. On Friday, December 11, 2020, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration granted emergency use authorization to Pfizer and BioNTech's COVID-19 vaccine. The decision came after a day-long vaccine advisory meeting, whose members voted to approve the company's request for approval. This is the first vaccine authorized to prevent COVID-19 infection in the United States, where the disease has killed more than 290,000 people, more than any other country in the world. The vaccine had already been authorized for US in Canada and the UK. How the US plans to distribute COVID-19 vaccines. Shipping began the vaccine to every state by FedEx for West Coast and UPS for East Coast. The US is the sixth country to greenlight the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine following UK, Canada, and Mexico. Federal officials have said about 2.9 million doses will be sent in the first week. $21 million healthcare workers and 3 million nursing home and long-term care residents were the first to receive COVID-19 vaccine doses. Distribution target 30 million people. Second highest priority, 87 million essential workers. Distribution target 50 million people. Beyond March, 100 million adults with high-risk medical conditions and 53 million adults aged plus 65 years old will vaccinate. COVID-19 vaccinations in the U.S. set to roll out Monday, 31st December 2020. Severe allergic reactions to any vaccine before should not get the Pfizer BioNTech shot. Pregnant women should consult their doctors. Officials presenting at the meeting said that while there is not yet data on how the vaccine may impact pregnant women could decide for themselves whether or not to be vaccinated and should consult with their doctor. Sandra Lindsay was the first vaccinated in New York. Sandra Lindsay, a critical care nurse from Northern Long Island Jewish Medical Center, was the first vaccinated in New York at 9:23 a.m. during a live-streamed event with Governor Andrew Cuomo. Lindsay, who lives in Queens, one of the hardest-hit counties in the country, told the governor she wanted to instill trust in the vaccine. I believe in science. As a nurse, my practice is guided by science, and so I trust that, she said during the live stream. What I don't trust is that if I contract COVID, I don't know how it would impact or those who I come in contact with. So I encourage everyone to take the vaccine.